Alex, welcome aboard, mate.
Thank you.
Good. So you've just come back from completing your driving test.
Yeah.
And would you like to share the
Yeah.
results? You sure have.
Yeah, passed.
Well done. So you've come in after your brother.
Yeah.
You passed a couple of years back.
Yeah.
So would you like to share some feedback to the other students who are wondering who to go with?
Yeah. So common, really in-depth training, really just gets you to know everything that's required, really fully in detail. It's just really helpful. And for being a general driver rather than just achieving your Ps, which is very helpful.
Totally. Well done. That's good feedback. So for generally driving and safety, we certainly went through a lot of those strategies, didn't we, on how to maintain yourself amongst the traffic.
Yeah.
So well done. All the best, Alex.
Thank you.
And certainly we'll be looking out for you in your stardom with your piano work. What do you say, pianist or playing instruments, bands?
Yeah, there we go.
Orchestras, who knows? It's up to you, mate. You take the career where you like. We've had a number of students in all different fields, so well done. You've got your driving out the way, so move on and enjoy.
Thank you.
See you, Alex. All the best.
Thank you.
Bye.